Hello, and welcome back to V2 Cloud Tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add a new disk to your V2 Cloud computer. Adding a new disk to your V2 Cloud virtual machine allows you to expand storage for files, applications, and backups. Step 1. Log into your V2 Cloud account at V2 Cloud Portal. Locate and open the dashboard of the cloud computer you wish to add the disk to by clicking Actions and then Manage Computer. Step 2. Navigate to the Storage tab and click Add New Disk. On the following pop-up window, enter the desired disk size and click Submit. The process will take approximately 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Once completed, you will receive a notification message asking to refresh the page. Once you have refreshed the page, navigate to the Storage tab again to see if the disk has been added. Step 3. Navigate to the Computers tab on the left sidebar, locate the computer where you added the disk, and then click Connect. Once you've successfully connected, open File Explorer and go to this PC to confirm that your new disk has been added. And that's it. You have successfully added a new disk to your V2 Cloud computer. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.